Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and this body is designed here, and today discuss here a very important product is designed here, and this is a all dimension is mentioned here, and all view is so here. This is a top view is you can see here easily, and this is a front view, and this product is drawing here isometric view, and all geometry and all 2D drafting is easily and clearly learn here, and you can see here easily. Okay, and this product is designed, and one by one is all point is discussed here. Okay, at first uh, at first is drawing here this and this is a 45 and all dimension is millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and this is a 45 millimeter, and this is a 40 millimeter, and this oblong is drawing here, and this radius is 13.5 millimeter, and this is a 25 millimeter is radius, and this circle is drawing here 12.5. Okay, and this radius is a 100 millimeter is correct, and this height is 48 millimeter, and this is a 45 millimeter is correct, and this angle is 15 degree. Okay, and this product is drawing here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and all view is showing here. This is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, let's start is drawing here. Okay, at first select a new, and part is select here and click OK, and at first okay, this is a plain white is correct, and mention. Okay, and document property and image quality is all is okay. This is a perfect. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and sketch. Okay, and drawing this okay, and select a center rectangle and drawing a okay. This is a delete here. At first select a center rectangle, drawing here, and then again select a this center rectangle. Okay, this is a draw a two center point is draw here. This is the first center line, and this is a second center line. Both center line is drawing, and both is this horizontal, and also this vertical. Two center line is drawing here, and then select a line is created here, and drawing a this okay. This is a perfect okay, and select a this okay, and this point is a select here and draw a any okay. This is a perfect okay. This is a perfect and correct. All is okay, and also this is a curve is okay. This is a curve is draw here, and also okay. This is a correct okay, and this curve is okay. This is a perfect okay. And this 2 point is a tangent, and also this is a tangent, and this line is select here and also draw a center line, and this midpoint is select here, and this is a this is a perfect. At first select this and this point is a select a merge. And then use a center line is created here, and this is a perfect, and some angle is drawing here. And this two line is select here and use a perpendicular. And also two line is a select a perpendicular. This is a perfect. All is looking perfect. And select create a state slot. This slot is very important. And again create a circle. And mention any dimension, and dimension is correct. And dimension is this is a correct. This is a 45 millimeter and this is a 40 millimeter, and also this is a correct. At first select this point, and this point is a 40 millimeter. And again select this point, and this point is a 45 millimeter is correct. And this is a correct. This is a 45 and then 40. This is a 45 and then 40. This is a correct. And this outer radius is a 25 millimeter is correct, and inner radius is 12.5. 12.5 is this is a 13.5 is better, and this radius is 100. This is a 13.5 is correct. And this is a 100. And this radius is a 12.5. And this angle is a 15 degree, and this is a this distance is this distance is 45 millimeter, and this distance is 48 millimeter is correct. 45 millimeter and this distance is a 48 millimeter is correct. And all value is this is a perfect. And all is a black color means this is a fully defined, and all is perfect. All is perfect. And use this exit and extrude boss base is apply here, and this is a mid plane, and use a 40 millimeter is correct. This thickness is 40 millimeter is not mentioned here. This is a 40 millimeter. This is a 40 millimeter is correct, and this is a 16 millimeter. All is thickness is 40 millimeter is correct. And this is a perfect. And again some use of front plane and a sketch, and normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and some use a next is a this is a cutout is select here, and at first select a this is a 25 millimeter is 25 millimeter, and also this is a perfect, and 25 millimeter is correct. Okay, and at first select this curve, and also this, and press a control button. Okay, select this, press a control button, and this and this. Okay, and use a convert in entities is select here, and a line is a draw here. This is a this. Okay, okay, this line is correct, and distance is 25 millimeter, and use a trim is this, and also this. Okay, this is a okay, and distance is a this line, and this center point is distance is a 25 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and this line is select a vertical. Okay, all is correct, and this is a perfect, and all black color means this is a fully defined, and okay, and isometric view is also select here. This is a correct, and use a this is a extrude cut is select here, and this is a mid plane. Okay, and mid plane is a this is 16 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use a this is a cutout is very nice looking here, and this is a cutout is 16 millimeter is correct. Full hold is thickness is 40 millimeter, and this cutout is only 16 millimeter is correct. Okay, and again select a okay, and cutout is apply here, and also material is apply here a okay, this is a bronze brush, copper and brush is a this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select this face, and sketch normal, and circle is a drawing here. Okay, and some dimension is measure here. This is a correct, and this diameter is 15 millimeter, and this distance is 36 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this diameter is 15 millimeter, and this distance is a 36. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, and again second point is a this is a 36 millimeter, and this is a 15 millimeter is correct, and all is perfect. Okay, and exit, and extrude cut is select here, and this is up to next. Okay, this is looking perfect, and next point is drawing here. This is a okay, this is a correct, and at first drawing a this is a this 45 millimeter, and this diameter is 28 millimeter. Okay, drawing, and at first select this face, and sketch, and normal, drawing a circle, and circle diameter is 28 millimeter correct, and okay, and apply a extrude boss, and this is a 45 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and next is a use this face, and a sketch, and normal, and draw a polygon, polygon is drawing here. Okay, at first select a okay, at first select a color is a this. Select a at first select a color is this, apply here. Okay, okay, this is a yellow color, and apply this point is a select here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this point is a horizontal, and diameter is this point, and this point is a 18. Okay, this is a perfect. And exit and use a use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter is correct, and 10 millimeter is, and use a offset. Okay, and offset is 35 millimeter is correct, but this is a reverse direction. Okay, and click OK. This is a correct. And last point is a drawing a this thread is apply here. Okay, and thread is distance is 20 millimeter, and okay, this is a perfect. And okay, 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 this is a perfect, and thread is a use this thread, and at first select this edge point, and edge. Okay, select here, and this is a correct, and some use this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this metric die is correct, and M27 multiply 2.0 is also size is correct. Okay, this is a 2 is correct, but some point is discussed here, and all point is correct, but use a offset is a this is a 2 millimeter is correct, and use a flip side. Okay, this is a correct, and distance is 22 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this okay, and this thread is a drawing, and this thread is a apply here, and all is a perfect. Okay, okay. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one, and guys, I hope you we okay, guys, all point is discussed here, and all is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.